Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video to show you an awesome Fortnite Steal the Brainrot code. This is the best working code right now, guys, that's allowing you to get all the secrets in Fortnite Steal the Brainrot. This is the easiest method, guys, and it takes just a few minutes getting you all the secrets. I've been searching a long time on YouTube and Google trying things, and this is the best code for Fortnite Steal the Brainrot. So before I get into it, make sure you like this video, guys, and subscribe, because I do plan on making many more tutorials. So let's get into the video. As you can see, you need to use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone here, but you can do this on Android as well. And you just need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it correctly to head on over to this webpage. And this is an awesome website. I've used them a lot for Roblox games, but they actually have a Fortnite Steal the Brainrot page on here. So just use the search bar and search for Steal the Brainrot. As you can see, guys, there's only one available code, but this verified code is absolutely awesome. As I mentioned, it's going to get you all secrets. So this is get all secrets for free in Steal the Brainrot Fortnite. This is by far the best code. Like I said, I've tried tons of codes that I found on YouTube and Google. Very few of them actually work, and if they do work, they don't actually provide you with much. But this one is going to get you all secrets, so this is a pretty valuable code. Now, as you can see, guys, these are limited. There's 615 codes remaining. Obviously, these are pretty cool codes considering what they give you, so you do need to unlock your personal code. It says here the code will be revealed after verification. Don't panic, this only takes a few minutes. You just got to click on this button, follow the instructions you see on this screen here. I'm just going to skip through this, but basically, guys, you need to complete 2 tasks on this page. They're all completely free, and these tasks sponsor Cold Coupon and allow them to supply such awesome codes. So as you can see, these are simple things like installing mobile applications, opening them up and running them, or playing mobile games, or answering survey questions. Just follow the instructions. As you can see, this small text tells you what you need to do. Once you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to this page, and your Steal the Brainrot Fortnite code will be fully unlocked and revealed, and you can go ahead, redeem it in-game. And in this case, that is how to get all secrets in Steal the Brainrot Fortnite. They will probably add more codes at a later date, so make sure you subscribe, and I will create updated videos showing you the best currently working codes. Anyway, guys, that is how to get all secrets in Steal the Brainrot using a working code. Head on over to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to the Fortnite Steal the Brainrot codes page. Go ahead, select the code you want, in this case the all secrets code. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.